What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see by the title of today's video, it's going to be a little different from my usual videos. I'm going to be taking you guys on a nature walk. We are currently at Cheatham Hill State Park. I want to show you guys just a little bit of history before we get in there. As you guys can see, this park used to be the battleground for the Union and the Confederates. They have so much history here. So much history. So I wanted to take you guys along with me on this walk. I'm with my mother. Probably gonna do a couple miles, see what's on the park. They have so much history, just so much history. This park is a free national park, but you do have to pay for $5 parking, but you don't have to pay for like any actual body specifically like at a regular park. So that's pretty cool. Trailhead starts just up right here. We're gonna grab our things and then start our walk, y'all.
Ridiculous. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
I see. Well,
Look at this single tree like in the middle of the path. That is nature at work. Let me just tell you that. Outside. I don't know where we are. Yeah, we done made it to the real world. Yeah, we on Cheatham Hill. So we gotta walk all the way through like how we drove to get back. Even though the road is here. Alright, we finally made it to our first crosswalk. I think we probably got like about another mile or two until we get back. As I was saying before, we ended up coming all the way outside of the park, so we walked basically around the park like you're driving, and then we're gonna walk forward towards the park, and then once we get into the park we gotta walk all the way down to the parking spots where we actually parked the car. But yeah, we're probably about like 3 miles right now. I think we're gonna end with at least 5. Whew, let me see how much we have left. It says it's a 4-minute drive and we have 1.6 miles. I'm gonna cue the montage again, probably when we're in the park, because it's not really aesthetically pleasing right now because obviously it's just the road. So I'm trying to save some battery and we'll start again at the park. You see us staring at him, huh? just staring at us, stare at him. It's so cute. Look at that.
He wants to know he's safe.
Aww.
So he's frozen.
We see you. Just had a deer sighting, but it was so cute. It was like standing still and it like saw us walking past. You could tell it was like in survival mode. So cute, guys. We're at the front of the park now. We have a lot of mounds, battle mounds, as you guys can see. We'll step up into one. Right there. You see it? Guys, it's another one. Let's get where I deer, y'all. Can you guys believe that? That is 5 deer spotting within 5 minutes. Now, say you're in the forest without saying you're in the forest. Oh my gosh, let me try to give you guys a bigger angle with this one. He was laying down. He's just lunching. Y'all see him down there? Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. They're so beautiful. This is truly their home, y'all. It's so beautiful, guys. I wish you guys were here with me to experience it. And you would have never thought, just right down there, there's 4 deer. My mom documented it. See how many more miles we have since we're here. We just hit the beginning of the park. I know I said I was gonna start my montage when I got inside the park, but honestly, even walking outside the park was aesthetically like pleasing, beautiful, whatever you guys want to call it. Like everywhere around this park is just so beautiful. Guys, his little friend is standing up behind him, y'all. This is so cute. It's saying we have 0.5 miles, 11-minute walk, so we're almost done, y'all. This is honestly a successful trek. First time ever really taking this trail. It's so beautiful. Like I could definitely see myself walking here every morning. Stay tuned, because next up we have either a waterfall, Stone Mountain, or something else. But I know I want to keep all these nature videos going while I'm back home, because Georgia is just such a beautiful place. We're back in front of the field. This is not the field that we walked through, but as you can see, it's the field that you would drive past if you were either exiting the park or entering the park. So yeah, it's beautiful regardless, y'all. I love it.
I got a good video.
Aww.
I'll send it to you.
Alright you guys, so we made it to the end of our nature walk. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want more videos like this, please let me know down below. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.